Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you best free music player app that can play both online and offline music for Windows, Android and iOS. So without any more delay, let's begin. So right now, firstly I will show you on the Windows computer, and the later part of the video also in the smartphones. So for this, just open any web browser, and in the Google search, just search for the application name as Black Hole Music Player, and on the first list I will see the developer website. Just click on it. So you can see the developer website, and you can see here on the right side releases. Just click on it and just scroll down below. Now you will see tons of files, right? So you can see here with the extension .apk, that means these files .apk files are for your Android devices, and you can see here below windows.zip. so if you're using a Windows, then you need to download this Windows, and if you're using a iOS device, that is a iPhone devices, then you can download this iOS.ipa. so right now I will download for Windows. So if you're using an Android and iOS, then you can download any one of this. So I'll just download for Windows firstly. To wait for a few seconds until the complete downloading is done. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded, and let me close the web browser. So I need to extract this file. So you can see here on the second list application. So I just need to double click it to run this application. So you can see this kind of user interface, right? So you can give a name if you wish, or you can just click on skip. So right now I will click on skip, and you can choose your preferred language, whatever language you want to say. So right now it's already selecting Hindi, and for India, if you are selecting, if you want English, then you can select for English also. I'll just keep it as it is. You can just click on here, and you can select a multiple language here. So I'll just keep it as Hindi default, and you can change your country location also, whichever locations you want to change. So I'll just click on finish for a few seconds. Now it will start loading all the musics that are available online. So these are all the musics available online. So you can see here, and below you can see here some buttons that is being showing trending songs, that is from the Spotify search, and even from the YouTube it will display from the YouTube musics also. And here on the last, the fourth option below is the it will access your files. So you can access your offline files by clicking on this My Music. So right now I don't have a music stored in my hard disk drive. So this options looks almost similar in the smartphones also. So you can click any one of the song. Say I'll just click on song here, and you can start playing here, right? You can just start playing here by clicking on display. So you can see here it's playing right now, and if you want to save it to play it offlinely, then you can see here download also. You can just click on download. So you can see here it is downloading, and it is saving your this particular music file to make you listen offlinely whenever you don't have data anymore. Then you can just click on this. So in my opinion, it's a very good free music player app that will let you play both online and offline music on your respective Windows devices. So the interface will look almost the same. So let me show you in the smartphone also. So right now you can see my Android home screen. So I've already installed the same application. So let me open it. So you can see here it almost looks similar, just like the Windows version also. So you can see tons of same songs and music files, and below you can see here like Spotify search, YouTube musics, and you can access the offline musics also. So let me click on this My Music, and it will ask you to allow. So I can just allow, and you can see here all the offline musics it can access to. So I can play both the online as well as the offline musics using this unique free music player app named as a black hole music player. So in my opinion, it's a very cool music player application that you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.